Look at this place. Absolutely beautiful.
We know each other for over 20 years. How many times do I need to say I do not like the height? It's far too high.
But I wanted to start off with embracing a hike.
Okay.
And embracing Andalusia. This is the real Spain.
Okay.
Come on.
Next time you're starting off somewhere, can we start off on the ground? No.
Look, we're on the bridge. Gino, look at the bridge.
I am not going there.
Gino, listen to me. You need to take inspiration from Nelson Mandela.
What?
He said the brave man is not the one who doesn't feel fear.
That's right.
But the one who conquers that fear.
I do not care.
Let's do it
I
together.
don't like it.
But we can't turn around now, can we?
No, vabbè, but no pushing.
No, let's go.
Gordon, are you jumping? Gordon, are you jumping?
No, it's fine.
Don't
Hey,
do that.
Let's do a selfie.
Move! Oh, no! You, move! Do not touch me! Don't! I don't want to die! This is a stupid idea.
Look what he's doing.
Gino! Oh,
Don't move the bridge!
come back for a selfie! Gino!
You
Gino!
Gino, you're such a wuss.
Listen, you need
I'm
to...
not talking to you.
Oh. Gino De Campo,
Welcome to Spain.
Fred Siriex and I
What are you doing, Gordon?
don't push me! Are on a Spanish spectacular. Three amigos with extra large egos.
Yes!
Back behind the wheel,
Gordon!
on the wrong side of the road.
We are on the pebble!
Having travelled the globe with our world-class palates. The tapas is incredible.
Mamma mia.
This is a European culinary capital we're yet to traverse as a trio.
I feel like Super Mario.
Go! With the crazy Italian, who's a one-man fiesta,